saying hi to Dada? Say hi, Daddy. Caleb. What do you have for lunch? Oh, lunch meat and cheese. Some crackers and yogurt. Caleb. See, he talks about you all the time, honey. We're going to send this video to Daddy so he can see you. Caleb, don't slap your food. Need some more cheese? Can you say please? Uh-oh. Okay, I'm going to clean that up. Hang on.